So, Assalamu alaikum. This video is recorded in order to demonstrate how to start using PHP programming language. But before we start the programming aspect, you need to set up your environment. To set up your environment, you need at least two programs. The first one is your server, virtual server. In this regard, I'm using xampp as my virtual server, so you can use WAMP or LAMP. The second is your code editor. You can use Notepad++, Sublime, or any other code editor suitable for you. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Sublime. So first of all, after you install your xampp, you need to launch the xampp control panel. This is version 3.2.2. So when you launch it, you need to start, whenever you want to start using your PHP, you need to start your PHP, Apache, and you need to start MySQL, that is if you want to connect to database. But if you just want to use the PHP part, that is using Apache server, so you just click the start. When you click the start, it will launch it and it will turn to this light green color. You will have all the ports and also the program ID indicated here. But for the sake of easy use, you can click on this configuration and just select Apache and xampp and you click save. So whenever you launch the xampp control panel, it will launch the the Apache and the MySQL automatically. So for the second part is you install your Sublime. After installing your Sublime, you launch it like this. This is the environment for the xampp. This is one of the previous application I was working on. So, but for the so this is the second program which you are expected to launch. So whenever you want to create your program, you go to C drive. After going to C drive, you locate your xampp folder. If you launch that xampp folder, there is another folder on inside it which is htdocs. This htdocs houses all the application you have. So when you have your application, you come and save them here. These are all application I'm working on. Some I have already completed and etc. So this is where you're going to place your program. For example, we want to start with another program called PHP version 1. Let's PHP tutorial A tutorial. Let me just make it one single folder, one single name, tutorial, and press enter. So now we have a folder for a program called PHP tutorial. So you go back to your xampp, your Sublime, you click on file, you select open folder. When you click on open folder, you go straight to your htdocs. Assuming you are under my computer, you go to C drive, you go to your xampp, you go to you go to htdocs, then you select what PHP tutorial. PHP tutorial. That is the program we have created, program folder we have created for our demonstration. So this is how to start your your project.